Here's a recap of your markets on this Monday, the 9th day of December. Take a look at the Missouri Stocker formula, 10,471 head with a weighted average weight of 555.21 pounds, a price value of $318.14, 16 cents lower than Friday, but $9.87 higher than a week ago. Not quite new record levels there, but getting very close within sight of that. Monday's cattle auction day at the Joplin Regional Stockyards got their mid-session market, 13,500 head today. The market basically trading kind of sideways, a few dollars on either side of higher and lower, but with volume like that, that's basically just kind of a wash and sideways movement. The steers selling from 5 lower to 8 higher, heifers 3 lower to 5 higher. The steers in Joplin, medium and large ones, 300 to 400 pounds at 400 to 425. 4 to 5 weights at 360 to 425. 5-6 weights 297 to 364. 6 to 7 weights at 272 to 316. 7 to 8 weights 259 to 274. 8 to 9 weights at 241.5 to 269. 900 to 1,000 pound steers at 232 to 238. The feeder heifers, 3 to 4 weights at 335 to 370, some thin up to 390, 4 to 5 weights at 290 to 335, 5 to 6 weights at 264 to 310, 6-7 weights at 251 to 271, 7 to 8 weight heifers at 241 to 265, 8 to 9 weights at 225 to 238. Box beef cutout values closed higher for the day. Choice 314.24 up 210. Select at 279.34 up 261. Those values based on a volume of 78 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds, and the Choice Select spread setting at 34.80. Negotiated feedlot trade for the day at a standstill, of course, being a Monday. Last week, confirmed negotiated sales, 75,080 head. The weighted average price on the live sales at $190.93. Dress sales $297.54. Both of those 90 cents stronger than the week previous. As we talked about last week, a lot of special cow sales going on between now and the end of the year. This week, we've got Joplin Regional Stockyards having a special replacement cow sale Thursday evening at 4:30. On Saturday, Springfield Livestock Marketing Center, 4 o'clock in the evening, expecting 1,150 head. Mid-Missouri Stockyards will have a special replacement cow sale Saturday at 6 p.m. Kingsville, special replacement cow sale on Saturday at 11 a.m. New Cambria Livestock Market, they're having a sale Saturday, expecting about 600 head of replacement cows there. That will be at 11 a.m. in the morning. And 3 of the Show Me Select heifer sales this weekend will wrap up all of the fall sales. Friday evening, both Farmington and Kirksville will have theirs, and Palmyra will hold their special Show Me Select heifer sale on Saturday. Taking a look at the closing futures markets on the Mercantile Exchange. Live cattle for December, 42 higher, 187.80. February up 85, 187.02. January feeders were 2 cents lower, 255.80, way behind the index, given that that contract doesn't really expire until the end of January. March, 255.20 up 52. Lean hogs for December, 40 cents lower, 82.90. February, 82 cents lower, 86.50. That feeder cattle index right now, based on basically a 800-pound steer, 262.25. Turning our attention to the grain markets at the elevators around this state today, soybeans were 4 to 24 lower. Wheat was 1 lower to 2 higher. Corn 8 lower to 2 higher. Corn bids in St. Louis 463 to 465. Kansas City 401 to 431. Soybean bids in St. Louis 1025 to 1026. Kansas City 935 to 1005. Wheat bids St. Louis 556 to 586. Kansas City 523. On the Board of Trade, corn contracts, December up 3 1/4, 434. March up 1 3/4 at 441 3/4. Soybeans down 3 3/4 cent. January at 9.90, March at 9.95 1/2. December wheat 541 1/4, down 1 1/4. The rest of contracts all higher. March up a penny and a half, 558 3/4. Soybean meal for December up $2.30 a ton at 286.10. Soybean oil for December down 15 cents a hundredweight at 42.63. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a recap of your markets for Monday. This is Tony Hancock.